In this video, we'll show you how to change the oil and the oil filter on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open your oil filler cap. This will facilitate the flow of oil when draining. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. You can now see the drain plug. Unscrew the drain plug with the help of a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket. Start the process with the wrench and finish it off by hand. Tip: we recommend placing a plastic gutter or cardboard underneath to prevent oil from dripping on the front sway bar. Be careful on the last few turns. The oil can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have an oil collector on hand. Let the oil run out for about 10 minutes. When you change the oil, you should also replace the oil filter. The oil filter is accessed from below, beneath the serpentine belt. Loosen the oil filter. If you are unable to do this by hand, you can loosen it with an oil filter wrench. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To collect the oil contained in the filter that might come out when it is removed, place an oil collector underneath. Or cut out the bottom of a plastic bottle, then place it under the filter. You can also use a cloth. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the oil filter. When released, turn it upwards to avoid spilling any oil. Remove the cloth. Then, wipe the impurities of the seal surface with a paper towel. You can order the parts and products used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Lightly coat the seal with oil on the screwed side. This will avoid too much friction, which can reduce the seal's water tightness. It also makes it easier to assemble. Screw the filter back on until it makes contact. At this point, grasp it with your hand and add half a turn of tightening. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any oil that may have leaked. Then wipe off the impurities on the seal with a paper towel. Replace the drain plug with a new one. Then screw the plug back in. Start by hand, then finish off using a torque wrench. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any oil that may have leaked out. It is necessary to pour oil back into the motor at this point. This step must be done with care and precision. Lower your truck back to the ground and check the oil level. This is something that can only be done when the vehicle is flat. Use a funnel to prevent oil from leaking out next to the filler hole. It is then necessary to add the oil to the engine. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you with a large enough margin to adjust the level of oil appropriately. You can find in the tutorial's description the exact quantity of oil recommended for your truck. Close the oil fill plug. Start the engine and let the truck run for 30 seconds. This will fill the oil filter. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it down. Plunge it back into the sheath. Then remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the dipstick, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.